Hi, we are Mike and Donna, and we would like to invite you to join us on our Greek island cruise. On this trip, we travel with our good friends Sarah and Tom on Celebrity Reflections. Our 11-night cruise takes us to some beautiful ports, but prior to boarding, we enjoyed 2 wonderful nights in Rome. So come along with us and enjoy our travels.
Not the belly. Come over the top there, and there's the sea behind us and the sun behind us. Now we're not be able to see the three room. Yeah, hi guys. That's the view behind us.
And it's absolutely boiling.
Yeah, it is cooking weather.
Yeah, spit roast.
I think it's
So-
what's 180 degrees Fahrenheit.
It's just got to be about 10 minutes out here, and then that'll be my lot.
And mine, because I can actually feel it back burning now. So, guys, that's what you're missing.
Yeah,
And wherever you are, I hope you're having fun and enjoying it.
yeah, definitely.
So, for now, take care. And bye-bye.
Speak to you later.
Bye.
Well, we lasted 20 minutes, 25 minutes, and it's just ridiculously hot. We can tell we've not been in the sun for ages.
We'll come back in and we're reading our books.
Yeah.
Well,
Time
I'm
to
reading a
read.
book. Donna's doing something on her iPad book.
I know, I'm reading.
You're reading.
Yeah.
So I'm reading here for 20 minutes and get ready to go and do a quiz in the Sky Lounge.
Yeah.
Pop quiz. Well, not pop, 60s and 70s music quiz.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah. We always at the moment. So, thank you guys. I will catch you later.
Yeah.
Bye.
Don't you stop, 'cause tonight it's on the line. Show me how you get on down. Close my eyes, take me for a ride. Got to be you. So come and light me up. I still need to.
You're being videoed.
Oh,